Okay, so we can look at some glossary of keywords here about strong and weak acids. So an acid is a substance that when dissolved in water has a pH of less than 7. Acids ionise in solution, donating H+. So remember, ionising means that the acid molecule is splitting into a positive and a negative ion. Acid concentration is the number of moles of acid dissolved in a volume of water. Acid strength is a measure of the ionisation of the acid. So the higher the concentration of H+, the stronger the acid. Acidity is a measure of how acidic something is. So as the number of H+ ions increases, the acidity increases. So strong acids are obviously very acidic because they've got lots of H+ ions available, whereas weak acids are not as acidic, so they have a higher pH. So an alkali is a substance that has a pH above 7 and will turn litmus paper blue. They can neutralise acids and they are soluble bases. Alkalinity is a measure of how alkaline a solution is. So as the number of OH- ions increases, the concentration of the H+ will decrease. Okay, so this means that the solution becomes more alkaline or has a higher alkalinity. A base is any substance that can react with an acid to neutralise it. Collision frequency, the speed at which reactant molecules collide in a reaction. So a fast collision theory will give you a very fast rate of reaction. Indicators are chemicals that will change colour in the presence of an acid or an alkali, for example, universal indicator. Neutralisation is a type of reaction in which an acid will react with a base to produce a salt and also water. Neutrality. So when the concentration of H+ equals the concentration of OH-, the solution is said to be neutral. It is neither acidic nor alkaline and will have a pH of 7. A pH scale is a number from 0 to 14 measuring the acidity or alkalinity of a solution. Acidic solutions have low pHs while alkaline solutions have higher pHs. A salt is a substance that is formed when an acid reacts with a base. It will be made of a metal ion and a non-metal ion. Strong acid is an acid that will fully dissociate in water, for example, hydrochloric acid, but also don't forget your kind of holy trinity of strong acids. That's the hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid. A weak acid is an acid that does not fully dissociate in water. For example, carboxylic acids. You could also think about carbonic acid. You could also think about citric acid.